Hey everyone, it's Khas here, and this is a short video about SapphireScript. So, what is it? It's basically a new language for making RPG Maker MV plugins. So, it's designed to make your life easier. So, here I have my Khas library uh, project with all its plugins and everything. I'm inside the plugins folder. And I have here some SapphireScript files and some inside folders. So I'm gonna show you a bit of how it works. So here I have Visual Studio along with the compiler running and watching for the whole folder. So if I go and open like my core script and hit Ctrl S to save it, you see that the SapphireScript compiler just goes and compile the saved script. So yeah, that's it. So I have my workspace here, and I'm gonna go and create a new file, and I will name it test.ss. SS is the SapphireScript extension. This is really important, so make sure you don't forget this. So create this file, and then you see that the compiler identifies it because it's watching the folder. So I'm gonna grab the test.js, and I'm gonna grab and throw it right here so we can see the changes happening. So you go into when you're creating a script with JavaScript, I mean a plugin. Sometimes you need to type a lot of code just to get a simple thing working, and this is really boring. I completely hate that, so that's why I created SapphireScript. So let's say you want to create what would be the classic equivalent in Ruby but in JavaScript. So you just go ahead and type class. I mean, I'm on the wrong file, I'm sorry. So you go on the SapphireScript file, and then you create like a new class. So type class and perhaps class def. So you're defining a new class. All of this is explained on the user guide. So class def, like let's say actor, and then you put an end right here, and then you want to define a method like initialize inside this class. So you type def initialize, and then perhaps like name, and then hair color, and that's it. So you make sure to close it, the definition, and then inside you will do like a class, I mean an instance variable, and then you type like name equals name, and then hair color equals hair color. And then you hit Ctrl S to save, and then bam, you got JavaScript code. And look at this code and how much simple, how much more simple is it instead of this one. Like, it's way more readable, way more clean. You don't need to like add semicolons and all that stuff. So that's it. And then you can, of course, add more methods like method 2, and then and Ctrl S, and then you see the changes happening. So if you had like RPG Maker MV open right here, you can just edit the script. The JavaScript file will get updated, and then you can just run RPG Maker MV without the need of doing like complex things like compiling a lot of stuff and then opening a lot of stuff. No, you just edit this file, hit Ctrl S to save it, and then just run RPG Maker MV as normal, because on the plugin manager you will add this plugin and not this one. So it's very easy. And like for my car script, I have some stuff declared in here, and then SapphireScript has this require function. And what it does, you see that it's core/js, core/ something. So here I have the car folder. I have some files in here, like game player, for example. And then what the require function does, it grabs this code, compiles it, and it will include on the compiled script, which is this one. If you go like game player, here's the compiled code. So this makes a lot easier to organize your code, except especially if it's a big code like my advanced lighting script, which is a big one, has a lot of classes. So you can keep your stuff organized, and it's really simple to do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I plan to record some tutorials on SapphireScript perhaps in the future. But for now, it's an experimental thing. I use it for all my plugins now, and it is really making my life easier. So now it's just experimental for public use, and then we'll see how you guys like it. So that's it, and thank you for watching. See ya. Hey again, I got too excited with SapphireScript and I almost forgot this, so I'm sorry. But I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all my patrons so far. You guys have been amazing and your support really means a lot to me, so thanks a lot. And if you want to support my work, perhaps you may check my Patreon page and see if you like it. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you out.